morning, and today I'm at Kirkby in Furness, which is on the Furness Peninsula, and I've got a wet dash cottage to soft wash, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this is the property. You can see it's quite heavily stained. There's quite a lot up there in this area. I've got that bit up there to do. They also want me to do these steps because these are lethal. They're slate steps and they're covered in algae. But this is looking really heavily stained. So up here, windowsills. Here again, really bad. And this area here, but they want me to do these steps here. Cats there, very nice and peaceful. I don't know whether you can see over there is the coast. So what I'll do is I'll do the steps first, just to make my life a little bit easier, and then I'll start at this side here. So, yeah, nice job, and it should clean up really well. I always say, you know, it'll look good today, but about a week, 10 days afterwards, it'll look its best. Yeah, very nice. That rose. Well, let's see how we get on with this one. So I've just soaked the walls of this property, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's normally wet. Obviously looks worse when it's wet, and that's what I tell people. So in the summer things don't look too bad, but as soon as we get damp weather, properties generally look bad once they're contaminated. So I've just soaked all this. You can see it really shows off the dark staining. So this area down here is particularly bad. I've just put a quick treatment on the steps, but I've not done these completely yet. But so the windowsills, lots of lichens. But yeah, as you can see, it's really quite badly contaminated. And I think the owner said that they had this rendered about, I think it's roughly about 20 years ago. So it's definitely in time for being cleaned. And as I explained, if you paint over the top of this, so this is mould, this is algae, if you paint over the top of this, what happens is that the biofilm, or the algae, mould, bacteria, it basically thrives really off the nutrients in the paint. So what we do is we basically kill it. So that's my first treatment, and then we use hot water to rinse off the dead spores, and then we put another treatment on there to keep it future growth under control. So but we should transform this. So I've just finished this property at Kirkby in Furness, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this is the front, and you can see quite a lot. You can see it's still drying. I did these steps. There's the odd dead spore, so you can see here the yellow, they're dead spores and they'll drop off. Steps clean from the bottom. They're a lot better. We'll get on this. It's looking good. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.